What's up, guys? If you want to understand how people are making insane money every day by launching meme coins, this video is for you. Today, I want to show you exactly how I've been pulling in over $100,000 a month profit from meme coins without relying on trading. Look, instead of losing money every single month trading in the trenches, I focus on launching the coins myself, structuring them correctly from the start, and cashing out for profits on everyone else. I'm sharing my perfect launch method, and I'm going to show you real-time proof, not just talk. Watch the video till the end and follow every step exactly, because skipping even one part can cost you money. Let's get into it. Quick heads up before we dive in, make sure you stick around until the very end. I'm going to be dropping one sol at a random point in this video, and you do not want to miss it. Now, look at the screen. Do you see my Phantom wallet right here? $5.3 million. While most people are stuck in the cycle of trading and losing money in the trenches, my wallet grew to this level because I stopped buying and started creating. I'm the one launching these coins and then cashing out on the demand. Now, most people do not lose money in meme coins because they're just bad at trading. They lose because they only trade and they do not move on to better strategies. They just buy into coins, right? Hoping for a quick pump. But the complete opposite happens. They get completely liquidated by the fucking dev of the coin, which means the person who created the coin dumps on them and takes all the money of everyone. Now, the truth is that in 2026, bro, deving meme coins has become way more profitable, way safer than trading. Why? Because, bro, launching coins costs nothing. It costs $0 to make coins. But trading, though, you will need a big portfolio if you want to be profitable. So I would highly recommend to start deving, launching coins, waiting for people to buy in, and then dumping it for profits, and then rinse and repeat that method over and over again. That is the smartest way to bag profits in this market, in my opinion. Now, when you launch your own coin, bro, you become the one in control of your own coin, which means you decide what you want to do. Do you want to clip profits, or do you want to just dump it directly and move on to the other coin? It's up to you. And in this video, bro, I will be exposing the whole strategy, okay? I will do a live example. I will do a step-by-step tutorial on how to dev meme coins professionally, all in this video, bro. Keep watching. It's going to be fucking insane. By the way, bro, just to make this clear, this video does not condone any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you how it's done. That's it. Do not copy me. Now, most people, when they start deving meme coins, they simply go to Pump.Fun and they try to make coins here, hoping for their coin to go viral. Now, let me tell you exactly why you are just wasting your time by making coins on Pump.Fun. First of all, it's oversaturated. It's over competitive. Too many coins are launching. And as you guys can see here in the new pairs, coins are coming out every single second. So if you are launching here, bro, you are just wasting potential. Now, the main goal as a dev is obviously to get your coin in front of the Radium DEX, which is basically the migrate section. This is where all the volume is when your coin hits this level. Now, to reach that point, bro, your meme coin needs to reach a $55,000 market cap on Pump.Fun. And let's be honest, you are not going to reach that point because of the oversaturation. That's exactly why you have to be launching your meme coins on launchmeme.fun. Because, bro, let me tell you this, every single coin that is launched on launchmeme.fun goes to Radium immediately. That's why people are fucking gatekeeping this launch pad. Now, bro, to make a meme coin, bro, you could either create one from scratch or you can do another method. But if you were to create a coin from scratch, bro, you would just go on X and you would look for any narrative. It could be anything, right? And then you would come back to launch meme.fun. You would invent a name, a symbol, and an image, and then your coin is created after these steps. But I personally love the second method, and that is the copy trending coins tab. Why? Because every single coin here that you're seeing, they all already has a good narrative. They're all going viral and they're all gaining a bunch of volume on Pump.Fun. Now, the method here is to copy a coin from this list to Radium, right? And then you can bag a bunch of conversions and a bunch of buyers in your coin because you're copying a coin that went viral before. That's why I do this method, and I will do an example. So now it's time to copy a coin and see how much we can make from this method like I just explained. Okay, this is where we do a live example. First of all, make sure the Phantom wallet is connected, click on refresh, and then look for a coin to make a copy. I'm gonna copy the distorted face coin, right? It looks good. Copy to Radium right here. Click on that, then ignore the block from Phantom. It's completely normal. Click on proceed and then confirm, and I understand. At last, just click confirm and then the coin will be copied, right? Just wait for it to load real quick. Boom, your token is live on Solana blockchain. If I go to SolScan, you guys can see that it's live on chain 11 seconds ago. Everything is live, everything is working. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page right here is really simple. Bro, do not overcomplicate it. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply and it will be directly in the Radium DEX. Okay, it's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on the chain. Now, for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of SOL to pair, that is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy, okay? You are just exchanging some of your SOL for some supply to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your Phantom wallet. So it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spend anything, right? But yeah, here I'm gonna put 3 SOL. Then click on create pool and then just wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up in a couple of seconds and then ignore the block once again. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Now just scroll down and bang, the distorted face coin is now officially created and live on the chain. Okay, people can see our coin and then your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at any given moment, click on refresh and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P and L went up to 113 bucks, which is a 334% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some good profits, but to add spice to the token, I'm gonna use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to promote-memes.fun and just forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet. Mine is already connected, but let me disconnect it and connect it again for better understanding. Then simply paste your token address and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now, toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this face, select Radium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote. Approve the transaction and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 4,000 or 5,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro. More people are buying in. I think we're up like $8,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars and just hit 19,000 market cap. This is insane if the meme is hot. And if you use the right tool for Memecoin promotion, then you can cash out good money. Now, a bunch of people are buying in. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm going to give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. I am back and bang, bro. We are up to a $32,000 market cap. It's actually fucking insane. And it has only been like a couple of minutes. Like, It has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Now I think I'm going to, dump it. Now come back to launch Meme.Fun and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 19,000 is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom Wallet to just show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm, and bang, bro. That's exactly how you do it from the best. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $19,440 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Okay, you guys have to start deving, bro. Launch Meme.Fun will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out. Want a free head start? I'm giving away 1 soul to help 10-person cover their first dev fees. To enter, first subscribe, second like this video, third comment, rug pull below. I'll announce the winner in 48 hours on my Telegram. Make sure you're following the Telegram or you won't be eligible to win. Don't miss out. I'm dropping bags in there all the time.